Good evening. My name is Abhinandan and I have created a project which allows two users to play the game of tic tac toe. In the first step, the user X will enter his desired position. If the position is valid and is available, the position is granted to him by the computer. But if that position is not available, he will be asked again. And once that seat is appointed to it, the computer will check if the game can be continued, if the game is draw, or is the game won by someone. If the game can continue, he will ask the next user for his input. But if the game is draw, it will ask the next user if he wants to continue or if he wants to cancel the game. If he wants to continue, the game will come back to the process will come back to the user X when he will enter his desired position. But if the user chooses not to continue, we will come out of the game. Now, in the second step, the user O will enter his desired position. If that position is valid and is vacant, he will be granted that position. Similarly, if the if the game has been won by someone, it will display the message that the game has won by X player, and we will come out of that game. Now, let us jump into the coding of this program. In the starting, I have created a dictionary which is named as dictref. This is dictionary will display the reference for the user to avoid any confusion, and the dict1 will store the actual positions of both the players X and O. And let me just run the program with it also. Here you can see the dummy tic-tac-toe table has been displayed with the position from 1 to 3 and until 7 to 9. Now it is asking for the first player to move. Now let us suppose the first user displays wants the position number 1. The one position is vacant, so it is granted to it. And now the second player has to come. The second player chooses the position number 2. The position was valid and was vacant. That is why he was granted that position. Now similarly, the first player asks for number 3, second asks for 4, first for 5, second for 6, and seventh by the first player. We can see that the X has won. That is why the message was displayed and the game was over. Now let us just run it one more time. Let us suppose that first player wants 5, this one. Here we can see that the game has been drawn. So it asks the user if you want to continue or not. Let us suppose we don't want to continue. So we press N, and yes, it displays the message game over and we come out of that game. Thank you for your patience.